Hello guys, this is Siva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys another powerful boom and crash strategy for growing your small account. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, I'm going to quickly be sharing with you guys the indicator setup for this powerful strategy, and then after that, I will be explaining how this profitable strategy works. Okay, so the first thing we have to do here is to click on this F icon. All right, after clicking on that, we are going to click on this main plus icon here. After that, we search for stochastic oscillator. Okay, after searching for the stochastic oscillator, you click on it. Now in the properties, you make the care period 5, D period 3, slow in 3, price yield close. The method, you make it exponential. The level, you set it to 10, 90 and 50. After that, you click on done. Right, you make the color for the levels red. Okay, don't forget that. The time frame, all time frame. Right, now the style here, you make the main, you make it color white. Right, the color of your background. All right, and the signal, you make it color white also, the color of your background. So if you are using a black background, you make it black. Okay, so after doing this, all right, after doing this, you click on done. Right, you are done with the stochastic oscillator. You can see the levels 90, 50 and 10. All right, now the next indicator we have here is the moving average. All right, so for you to add the moving average, you are going to be clicking on this second plus icon here, and then you click on the search for your moving average. Sorry. All right, now the properties for the moving average, the period is 1, the shift is 0, method is exponential, applied to its previous indicators data. The level, you leave it as it is, time frame, all time frame. Now on the style, you make it color blue, and you make it 3 pixel. After that, you click on done. Right, now you can see this blue line here on the indicator window is the moving average. All right, so after doing this, the remaining thing now is to know how the strategy works. Okay, so before I tell you guys or teach you guys how the strategy work, I'm going to be reminding you guys about my powerful boom and crash strategy, the VIP boom and crash strategy for growing as little as a $5 account. Okay, with this strategy I'm talking about, you can grow as little as a $5 account. Okay, so if you are interested in getting this strategy, you check the description of this video. You are going to see my WhatsApp contact there. Okay, make sure to message me. All right, so that aside guys, now how does this strategy work? Now whenever there is a spike in the market, all right, whenever there is a spike, you are going to see this blue line here. All right, the moving average is going to spike also on the indicator window to the 90 level. You can see this is 1000. All right, so it's going to spike to the 90 level here. All right, you can see this is the 90 level. All right, so around this place, immediately if the spike gets to the 90, if this blue line gets to the 90 level, immediately you see that is at the 90 level, you are going to go in for a sell. Right here you can see you sell to the downside. All right, so now this is how we are going to do it. Once you take a sell around this area, you are going to wait till this blue line here gets to the 50 level. All right, once it gets to the 50 level, you close your trade. All right, so once it spike again, right, it gets to the 90 level, you are going to take a sell. Immediately it gets to the 90 level and you hold till this blue line gets to the 50 level. You can see it will go up from here and then come down from this side. All right, so once it start coming down and gets to the 50 level, you close your trade. All right, it's as simple as that. All right, and this strategy works almost all the time. You can see how it happens here. You can see here also, you can see the accuracy of this strategy. It's a very powerful strategy for growing your small account. Okay, so test the strategy out before you can trade live. Okay, test it out and see that it's working for you before you go in with your hard-earned money, guys. All right, don't just take my words for it. Make sure you back test the strategy and see that it's working fine before you can trade with your hard-earned money. Okay, So that aside, I want to quickly tell you guys about my Telegram channel. All right, in the channel I share free signals. All right, I share free powerful signals that will help you grow your small account. All right, on in that channel, the Telegram channel I'm talking about. Okay, so if you want to join, you check the description of this video. You are going to see the link there, so make sure to join. Okay, and I also give out um um I also give out video courses on how to become profitable in forex trading. Okay, I have video courses that once you go through it, you are going to become a profitable trader. Okay, so if you want the video, you check the description. You are going to see my WhatsApp contact there. Okay, make sure to message me. All right, message me and say you want the video. All right, so we can discuss on how I'll give you this in the video. Okay, so I think that is going to be all for this one, guys. If you are a new viewer, make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. Okay, so I think that is going to be all for today. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Silver out.